You already know I'm gonna 10 up and get it. Either way.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Back at y'all with another video with the pull-up king. Alright, today it's raining real good. Alright, so I'm out here in the rain, I'm still working, and I'm gonna show y'all this repair. All for the tube, all for y'all, man. Alright, so listen. Got it broke down. It's gonna be a 2001 Chevy Suburban. Alright, so I got the wheel off already, and what I'm going to be replacing today is the wheel bearings. These the bearings. They hub assembly, got the whole kit, the bearing already together. So we're going to be taking it out by 3 bolts. Yep. Show you how we're going to get to that. First, we're going to start with taking off this caliper and the bracket. Take that whole thing off. And it's going to be a Torx bit, star bit. Alright, those are T55 Torx bit. That's what it looks like. So, get that off. And you get a pry bar, swing that up there, take off the 2 bolts for the caliper bracket. Got that one at the bottom. I'm gonna turn it around, spin it, and get the other side first. Get to that one down there, then I'm gonna hit that one. I went ahead and made me a long extension so I can get back here with my gun, because I don't feel like doing that by hand. Let's get it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this ABS sensor out. That's a T30. So we both got new sensors on them. So we're gonna take that sensor off, and that is trailed up there. These clips. Got the old sensor out. Got the new one on the back. Time to go in. And make sure you put it together before you even try to put it in, because that sensor got to go through that hole. Alright, got our sensor out. And it's going to line up like that. Now we're going to put our bolts in and tighten them down. Put that sensor up and hook it up. Alright, bolts in there. Make sure you torque those down. That bracket back on, brake pads, put that caliper back on. Reverse order, baby. Yeah, we're looking good. Put the tire on, hit the other side. All right, and that's the driver's side. Pretty much the same procedure. So I'm gonna fly through this one. Alright, knock that out. In the rain. Big. This is what I do. Bust a sweat and everything in the rain. You know they say you can't stop the rain. Hey man, y'all know what time it is, man. If y'all liking the content, go ahead and hit that button, that like button. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and give me some feedback, some positive feedback. But yeah man, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Pull up game.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.